I'm probably going to echo a few of the things that Renata just shared with us. Thanks, Renata, for being so vulnerable. That's something I'm learning in this course, to be a little more vulnerable. When I think about why I said yes to this academy, my honest answer is I'm not really sure. I've been an RMT for over 30 years. I started when I was really young as well, and just been going along, enjoying my career for the most part, having ups and downs along the way. So in my mind, it was like, well, it doesn't really make sense to start into this big intensive program. Like, maybe you're going to retire in a few years. So I was just sort of questioning why I would do it. And then I saw Erin speak, I think, at a conference a few years ago, and I was really inspired by what she had to say and what she was doing. And it inspired me to want to try something new in my practice. I have had patients over the years that I've been able to, treat and do some breast massage on, but just sort of fumbling through, not really knowing what I was doing or why sometimes. So I'm feeling really refreshed and excited and challenged to work with a new population than I have before. And just the feedback I've been getting in these last few months from patients has been really rewarding. So I'm very excited to go forward. When I think about the big struggles for me, I've voiced it a few times during the course that definitely the technology piece has been challenging. Canva, booking and community apps, Zoom. I always seem to just have a little glitch here or there. Like, I guess it sounds like a few others have as well. So I've just been pushing myself to just try new things and, struggle, but get through it however I can. And for the most part, I've figured out, and I'll continue to keep doing that. The part that I was and am still most excited about is learning the theory and the techniques that we've learned over the course of this experience. I voiced earlier that I really want to understand why I'm doing, so I have confidence to explain it to my patients and to communicate with other healthcare professionals. And this goal has been met. It's been above and beyond my expectations. The information that we have, the resources that we have to look at, there's so much to go over. And so I'm appreciative to have the opportunity to continue on, like others have said. All the recordings, there's so many little gems in there. You think you're paying attention when we do our 6-hour course day, and then you review the recording and you're like, oh, how did I miss that? How did I miss that? So it's great to have the access going forward. A couple of takeaways for me that really resonated. One is time to actively listen to patients when they're in the room with me, and time with the techniques to really give the body a chance to change. I'm a person who's very like go, 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 always want to touch everything, do everything. So for me, it's hard to just really be present and take the time. So that's been a really big mind-opening kind of experience for me. And also, I really realize what a privilege this work is. And as massage therapists, we have a really great opportunity to create a safe space for our patients, to provide early intervention, which Erin has spoke about, so that an education to people so that we can really give them the best outcomes that they deserve. I might feel a little teary too. I've always struggled with my identity as an RMT. I often compare myself, especially with physiotherapists, just in terms of, again, that knowledge base. And this course has really reminded me that as massage therapists, we bring a really unique perspective to treatment that other healthcare professionals don't. And since starting the program, I feel much more present and clear with my intentions when I'm with my patients. And it's translated into better results in my treatments. I've learned to slow down and appreciate the lighter techniques. Again, like a lot of us, we've learned deep work from the start, I think, and all these new light techniques. In my mind, I'm like, what are you doing here? Like, what are you really feeling? So I have to really be present. And then I am feeling what I need to feel. And it's really exciting for me. And also my own personal life, just in my day-to-day life. I mean, I've always appreciated the things around me, like, oh, the mountains are so beautiful today, or the sky's so blue. But I'm also just more mindful with my family, my children, my husband, my friends, trying to just be present and be with them and hear them. So I appreciate that. I've gotten that from this course from all of you. I'm really confident and proud to be a massage therapist. If I could go back and tell the person who entered this course one thing, I came up with this quote: "It's a marathon, not a sprint." I'm sure some of you have heard that one before. I really needed to take time each week to review, spend a bit of time on marketing. As Kirsten so patiently pointed out, I'm a procrastinator by nature, so I had to create really clear goals that, in all honesty, weren't always met. But the intention was there. I keep reminding myself that even though the course is finishing, it's not the end. And now we also can continue on, which is great. So I'm hoping to really push to follow up with my marketing goals and continue on with, obviously, the mentorship part of this. Finally, I want to thank all of you lovely people for making this such an amazing experience. Thanks for being vulnerable with me, helping me to see that it's okay to be vulnerable. I want to thank Kirsten for all her marketing expertise, for being there in the background supporting, for Annabelle's administrative help, and for her buddy organizing, to my buddies that were always there in the background, as well as Muriel and Lisa in the background. And then to Erin, especially. This course, I can see that you've put your blood, sweat, and tears into it. And I feel your passion for this work. I hope you know that you are supporting therapists that are inspired to go into the community with knowledge and confidence, and definitely with a heart-centered approach. So thank you.